Did you know that onion peels contains twice the amount of antioxidants than onion juice? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make onion peels for hair growth. Now, you will need a clean water. You can use your drinking water. If you drink tap water and it's not hard water, you can use that as well. I use 250 ml of water. Depending, you can use more or less depending on how potent you want that to be. Put your water in a pot, put it on fire and bring it to a boil. When it's boiled, add your onion peels inside. Reduce the light and cover the pot. Allow it to simmer, allow it to steam, allow it to boil for at least 10 to 15 minutes in a very low heat. After that, you bring it down and then cover it to cool completely. So this is what it's looking like after it has boiled. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cool down for a while. Okay, so this is what it looks like after it has cooled down. I'm going to strain it now. After straining it, you're going to store it in a spray bottle or applicator bottle, whichever one that you prefer. This is what the juice is looking like. Look at the color. So now I'm going to pour mine in a spray bottle and I will cover my spray bottle and it's ready to be used. Okay guys, so while I'm applying this treatment on my daughter's hair, let's talk about the benefits of onion peel tea or onion peel juice, whatever you call it. Okay, so onion peel itself contains vitamins A, vitamin C, vitamin E. It is rich in antioxidants and sulfur compound. Do you know that it can promote hair growth? It will strengthen your hair follicles. If you've been losing a lot of hair and you've been thinking of what you can use to block that DHA, which is a hormone that is responsible for hair loss, try onion peel. Combining black tea, green tea and neem leaf. This three combo, instant result. I am not even joking. You're going to get instant result. That is how powerful onion peel is. Now, if you're also looking for a remedy, a treatment that will prevent your hair from graying prematurely, onion peel is for you, baby. So what you have to do is to boil your onion peel and use it twice or thrice in a week, depending. You can use it as a leave-in treatment or you can wash it out. Also, if you are one who have longing to use onion on your hair but you just can't stand the smell, onion peel is best for you because onion peel contains the same amount or even more than onion juice and it's going to give you the same benefits or even more, like I mentioned earlier. So why not give this treatment a try? This is a powerhouse of nutrients, vitamins, everything that your hair needs to strive, from relieving scalp issues to promoting hair growth to adding shine to your hair to preventing graying of hair. A whole lot of other benefits, amazing benefits that you will enjoy from using this onion peel on your hair. Now, this is my daughter's hair. And after a while, I left it out for a while. Then I want to put it in a protective style just because the weather is drying and I don't want her hair to dry out. So I'm looking for a juice that we use to moisturize her hair. Instead of using plain water, I decided to add onion peel that I saved from the previous day after cooking a delicious meal with the onion itself. So now I finished boiling it and then I apply it to my daughter's hair. Now guys, when you are using anything liquid on your hair, please remember to moisturize your hair. It is very, very important. I know that water is moisture, but water alone evaporates as faster as you can even snap your finger. So that is why it's important that after you apply water, tea, rinse, aloe vera gel, whatever that is in liquid form, it is also important that you incorporate or you seal it in with a moisturizing hair cream, a hair butter or oil. So I always like to go in with a leave-in conditioner. a moisturizing leave-in conditioner, and I make my leave-in conditioner myself. I've been making my leave-in conditioner myself for a while now, and our hair has been benefiting from it. So after applying a leave-in conditioner to the hair, I went in to seal it in with oil. You can seal it with hair butter, you can seal it with shea butter if that is what you have. All right, and then finger detangle. Be gentle while detangling. If you really want to retain length, you have to be gentle when you're managing your hair or your daughter's hair. It is very important. That is one of the secrets to growing out healthy and long hair. Being gentle, because if you are breaking out the hair that you grow, the hair growth that you accumulated after a protective style or after a while, they are not going to see length. People say that their hair is not growing, but that is not true. Your hair is growing, it's just that your hair is breaking more than it's growing. Do you get? And that's why it looks like it's not growing, but it's actually growing. So yeah, after applying the onion juice, detangling with my hand, sealing it with moisturizing cream and hair oil, I'll then put it in a protective style. You guys, it is also very important. So if you are interested in growing out your hair, these are the things that you can do. Try using tea on your hair. Try putting your hair in a protective style and leave it alone. Don't put your hands on your hair all the time. That is the best way to grow out your hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please guys, give me a massive thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and share this video to your loved ones. Compliment of the season to you, my amazing family. Till I come your way next time, take care of yourself. Ciao ciao. Mwah.